Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with 6 healthy dinner recipes. So many of us has one question in our mind, that is it okay to skip dinner, or if we skip dinner then it will help to reduce our weight or not. So here is the answer. Skipping meal can cause your metabolism to slow down, so it will lead to weight gain or make it very harder to lose weight. Eating dinner is very important for our health and fitness. In fact, to remain healthy and in shape, we should not skip any meal and try to get optimum nutrition in every meal. Our meals must contain good carbs, protein, vitamins, fiber, and other minerals. Try to have fresh fruits and vegetables and avoid the processed food and added sugar. Here I am presenting you 6 dinner recipes that are healthy, easy and also very tasty. Hope it will be very useful for you, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Our first recipe is chicken with vegetables. The ingredients are chicken breast, broccoli, carrot, red capsicum, garlic, black pepper and salt. First boil the chicken for some time. Now heat the pan and add half spoon of olive oil in it. Now fry the boiled chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Add salt and black pepper according to your taste and fry it till it becomes brown. Now in another pan add 1 spoon of olive oil and fry the garlic in it. Now add carrot and capsicum. Then add salt and black pepper according to your taste. Mix it properly. Now you add the broccoli in it. Now add some water and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein, also contain iron, potassium, calcium, selenium, magnesium, as well as the vitamins A, C, E and K. Chicken is a great source of lean and low-fat proteins. Our next recipe is mushroom with omelette. Cut the mushroom into pieces. Now heat the pan and add 1 spoon of olive oil in it. Now add some garlic into it. Here I am adding some curry leaves. Curry leaves is optional. Now add the mushroom into it and fry for some time. Add black pepper and salt according to your taste. Now mix it properly and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our broccoli is done. Now prepare the eggs for omelette. Here I am taking 3 whole eggs. Then add onion, coriander, salt and black pepper into it. Then mix it properly. Here I am using 1 spoon of olive oil. And now prepare the omelette. Once the omelette done, then add the mushroom into it. Mushroom contains protein and fiber. They also contain vitamin B as well as a powerful antioxidant called selenium, which help to support the immune system and prevent damage to cells and tissues. Our next recipe is chicken and broccoli with brown rice. In a pan, take 2 spoons of olive oil and fry the onion. Now add the chicken and fry it. Here I have taken 200 grams of chicken breast. Add salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now add some garlic and ginger paste. Once chicken is half cooked, add the mushroom into it. Now stir it properly and leave it for some time. And our chicken and mushroom is ready to eat. It is very quick and easy, isn't it? If you are on a weight loss journey, you must have brown rice instead of white rice. Brown rice has low carb content, it is low in calories and enriched with essential nutrients. Our next recipe is soya salad. The ingredients are soy meat, cucumber, tomato, onion, coriander, lemon, salt and black pepper. Boil the soy meat for 5 to 7 minutes. Now stop the flame and leave it for 10 minutes. Soak the water out from the soy meat and cut it into small pieces. Now heat the pan and add 1 spoon of olive oil. Now fry the soy meat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's prepare the salad. Take the soy meat in a bowl, add cucumber, tomato, onion and coriander into it. Squeeze some lemon and add black pepper and salt according to your taste. Now mix it properly and you are ready to have. Soya is a great source of plant protein. It helps lower the level of cholesterol. Our next recipe is broccoli with rice. Here I will use steam method instead of boil. Now heat the pan and add half spoon of olive oil in it. Now roast the broccoli for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt and black pepper according to your taste and do not overcook the broccoli. Broccoli is a good carb and it is high in fiber, which help in digestion, prevent constipation, maintain low blood sugar and carbs overeating. Our next recipe is mushroom with vegetables. The ingredients are mushroom, yellow capsicum, tomato, green bean and brown chickpeas. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and fry the onion. Now add the chickpeas and fry it for some time. Now add salt and black pepper according to your taste and also ginger and garlic paste. Now add the yellow capsicum, tomato, green bean and mushroom into it and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And here is our mushroom with vegetables is ready to eat. I am serving this with brown rice and 1 boiled egg and cucumber. If you like my video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope to see you soon. Bye.